Hello viewers, if you are using iPad 10th generation or iPad 11th generation or any other iPad, in that case this video is going to help you because I have recently received an update iPadOS 18.5. In this video I will update to the latest version. As you can see here that the size of this update is 1.28 GB and this is iPad 10th generation. New wallpaper will be added in the lock screen, so without wasting any more time I will update to the latest version. But before updating, you can see that there is 28 GB storage is free, and in iPadOS 11.18 GB occupied and system data is 2.02 GB. Now I have updated my iPad 10th generation to the latest version. Now I will show you the storage scenario again. Now you can see that storage is freed up and there is almost over 40 GB is free, so this is a very good news for iPad users. And if I go into the iPadOS and system data, you can see that iPadOS is 11.21 GB and system data is about 7.14 GB. After this update, new wallpapers have been added, so I will go into wallpaper section, add new wallpaper, and here you can see that one wallpaper has been added in this pride section, and this is the wallpaper that has been added. It gives a fresh look to your iPad. Other than this wallpaper, nothing new has been added in the wallpaper section. And if I select this wallpaper, as you can see here, there is no option of changing the font color, but you can adjust it by fading it out and fading in, and these are some shapes that you can use. So I will select this wallpaper. Now you can see this is the look of the wallpaper on this home screen of iPad 10th generation. Many people are actually skeptical about the screen flickering issue after new update. So in this update there is no screen flickering issue. You can use your screen as it was before, and the quality of iPad 10th generation's screen is top notch. Some of the users were asking me about that they are facing some problem while scrolling on the home screen. Now I will show you that there is no such problem in my iPad. I can swipe through apps with my 4 fingers, and if you want to do this you also can do this, and like this you can close any app. So these are some gestures that you can use. Now I have tested the InShot video editing app, and here I have selected some videos and that was about 600 MB. And when I rendered it in 1080p 60 fps, it actually took 3 minutes. So after this update there is no issue in video rendering in video editing apps. So I think after this update no issue will be there in terms of video rendering. After that I tested the performance of third-party ipencil on my iPad 10th generation, and I can see that there is no problem using this ipencil on this iPad 10th generation. However, this is Kingone ipencil and it works in scribble mode also. This pencil is very good. If you want to buy this pencil, link will be in the description. After that I checked the notification panel, and in notification panel I found nothing new. All the settings were previously available after iPadOS 18. So in this update you will not get any extraordinary or outwardly changeable things. I think all the changes are inside in terms of performance and bug fixes. So in the conclusion, should you update to the latest version of iPadOS 18.5? I think you should wait for few days when the next video of iPadOS 18.5 review will come out, and if you have urgency you can update to the latest version, and if your iPad is out of warranty, in that case you should better wait for few days. Now you have to take the decision whether you want to update to the latest version or not. Let me know in the comment sections below if you have any problem, or if you are facing any problem, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.